New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell and her boyfriend, who was previously on the New Orleans Police Department, have recently been indicted on federal charges, and there's a lot of them. Take a look.
A federal grand jury returned an 18-count superseding indictment charging New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell and former New Orleans Police Department officer Jeffrey Paul Vappy II. They are charged with a series of fraud, obstruction of justice, and false statement offenses for their role in a nearly 3-year fraud scheme that we allege exploited their public authority and positions. The indictment alleges that in October of 2021, Mayor Cantrell and Jeffrey Vappy, a member of her executive protection team, developed a personal, intimate relationship. From that time until Mr. Vappy's retirement in June of 2024, they embarked on a scheme to defraud the city of New Orleans and the New Orleans Police Department. Specifically, Cantrell and Vappy used the WhatsApp platform to exchange over 15,000 messages, pictures, and audio clips in an 8-month period. They also used WhatsApp to intimidate subordinates, to harass a citizen, to lie to colleagues and associates, to delete evidence, to make false statements to FBI agents, to give the government an affidavit signed under oath that contained numerous false statements, and ultimately to commit perjury before a federal grand jury.
You know, this pattern has developed over many years, and it's indisputable and just repeats itself again and again, like places like New Orleans. I'll never go there again until the place is cleaned up, and who knows if it will be or not because of who's running it. And you can tell based on the corruption and everything else why tourism is down and why people like me wouldn't go there. Houston, Chicago, Trump is talking about going into Chicago now, Washington, D.C. Every single time you hear people say every single time, it's indisputable. Those people who are running those cities are the problem. The bigger problem is those who vote for them. So until those things change, these cities are not repairable. And I feel horrible for the people who have to live, the law-abiding citizens who have to live in these cities and deal with the stress of the taxes they have to pay to support the public system that is run by people like LaToya Cantrell and others. And not only the stress of that, but then the stress of being shot or killed. And then the man in Aurora, Colorado, who gets 54 years for chasing down car thieves and shooting them because he's probably sick and tired of having his car stolen or people attempting to steal his car. And so I'm glad that Trump is cleaning up DC with the National Guard in Chicago, hopefully going into Chicago, because obviously it's never going to change with the voter base in these cities and the incompetent nitwits like LaToya Cantrell and the other mayors of these used to be great cities and now are completely destroyed. So let me know what you think.